Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Ashraf, and today I'll explain everything about my project in RF Code. First thing, I want you to know what is this code will help us, how it will help us, what it's making. Now I'll answer you about all of these questions. This analysis code, it helps us to understand and study the determinant of the flights and from the New York City, like the most common flights and less popular destinations. Now here I'm going to show you the code. So top here. First step, we need to download the libraries and the tools we need. Looks like the dplayer library and the reader library. First one, the dplayer library, it helps us to understand and study the data. And the second one, the reader library, it helps us to open the CSV documents fastly and quickly. Yani. Here in number two, the flights. This one, we put it in the CSV document. And this one is contained of all of the data about flights. And the second one, the airlines, it contains also of all of the data about the airlines. The airports, it have all the details about the airports. Here in number three. Okay, this one. First, I'm joining the flights data with airlines using the airline code carrier. Then here, the rename, you must join the result with airports using the destination code. For the airport, it's desk. From the flights, and the airport code is FAA from the airport. Here we're going to number 4. Transform data complex join. Okay, here we add a new column from the flight's duration. Add a new column to calculate the flight time in hour. Looks like here, if I have a flight, its time maybe 150 minutes. So I make the flight 150 minutes by 60, sorry. It's equal 2 hours and 2 hours and 30 minutes. And easily this step 4 doing. Here we are in the step 5. Analysis result. Okay, here we're grouping the analysis data in the any groups and airline groups and the airport groups to find the range flight time for each group and counting how many flights there are for each group then, and removing the groups to make the data easily to work. All this petition do. Here, number 6. Okay, this one to finding the airports and the airlines with the most flights in the New York City. Yes, it's sourcing the data by the number of the flights from most at least, and show the groups with the highest number for the flights. It's all what is done. Here's the longest. The seventh one, it's make the average. It gave us the longest destination in the longest time. Here's the longest average flight duration from the New York City. This one finding the longest average time from the New York City. And here put it in the CSV documents also. And here this H1. Yes, it's easily make everything we want here. The last comment, destination from the airport of Kennedy International Airport. Yes, the JFK, the Kennedy International Airport, is searching for the least common destination based on the number of flights from Kennedy International Airport. And here finding the destination with the fewest flights. Okay, now the code is finished. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.